So I really like the look of the bare base and legs, or feet if you want to call them, in contrast with the drop cloth paint. So I decided to keep the base looking very, very natural. I sanded down the existing finish on the feet and the base, and then I used a Dixie Belle's water-based Au Naturel stain. This stain is super easy to use. You can water it down with water because, as I mentioned, it is water-based. You just shake it. I put it in a little plate, and I applied it with a very inexpensive chip brush. Working in sections, after I applied it with the chip brush, I just took a blue shop cloth and I wiped everything back to give it the natural wood look.